This is a video presentation of the 2004 HAAS SL-10T. It's got the tailstock and it's also got the tool presetter. And what we're going to do is just run it through its paces real quick. And we'll go ahead and start off with the Z-axis. X-axis. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the tailstock. This also has a parts catcher on it. And next we'll go ahead and index the turret. Let's go ahead and fire up the spindle. Start off at 1500 RPMs. Do 2500 next. Stop from there. Let's go ahead and take a walk around the machine here. This has the chip conveyor as well. We do have the manual. We also have the foot pads and the foot pedal. Go ahead and get the serial number here. 67241, manufactured in 03 of 04. Should I look on the inside here? This concludes the video presentation of the 2004 HAAS SL-10T.